Splitwood fire in the rain. Here we go. This dead standing piece here looks good. This could possibly be oak. Feels relatively dry. I'll cut that and try it. That feels good. We're going to use this and see what happens. Feels hard and dry in there. So I should get some good shavings to get this going. I got a couple pieces cut. They all felt nice and dry inside. It felt like good hardwood. With that many, that should be enough to make sure I've got some good usable wood in there, as well as enough to get a knee-high fire. I just found this, looked like maybe a beaver-chewed big dead tree that fell down, and it's got these big slabs of bark. So I can use these big slabs to cover my prep. Okay, I'm using the AA Bushcrafter in a badger claw sheath. That's what I'll use for this Splitwood fire in the rain. And I've got my camera protected, and I've got my prep protected as well. The prep is under some of those slabs of bark, those bark shingles that I just pulled off the log. So I'll go ahead and start splitting, and we'll see what we've got. Going pretty well. I've got a good number of split pieces in there. I've got in my left pocket, I've got some shavings. In my right pocket, I've got kind of some slightly bigger pieces than shavings. You know, that probably wouldn't catch so easily with the fire steel, but that will catch on top of the shavings quite easily. So maybe I'll split a little more, and I'll give it a go. Some of these scraps on there. Look at all that steam. Splitwood fire, knee high, in the rain. Using the AA Bushcrafter. Great blade. See my clothing steaming. Rain's melting off. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was Splitwood Fire in the rain.